Hi guys, I figure while I have the time, I'm just gonna jump on and share this really quickly. This is my first ever Hobonichi Techo, I think is how you pronounce it. This is the English version, and I'm not fussed about, it can be the English or the Japanese. It doesn't really matter to me. And obviously we're very late in the year for this, so I did not get on this early. This one is, I want to say, it's called Antipast Floral Rug. That's what this is called. Okay, and can you see the detailing a little closer? This is described in some websites as embroidery, and I suppose in theory it is, but as someone who actually does embroidery, I would not call this embroidery. This is not stitched directly on top. This is woven in as part of the design. Can you see? And apparently the company that they did this cover with, they make socks. So that is what this is. This is like sock material. I don't know how well it will hold up. I am hopeful that it will hold up well, but I suppose we'll have to see. I don't want to have to baby it, but yeah. And I guess you could get socks that match this cover. Okay, now here are the cards that came in there. I'm going to hold these still, so if you want to pause it and read, you can. And I don't know what these say, but what I'm going to do later is Google Translate. You can use it on your phone and you can use your camera and it will automatically translate the words, which is kind of cool. So if you've never done it before, definitely give that a go. It's fun. I know people use this as a planner, but I will not be using this as a planner. I don't think that this would work very well for me as one. So yeah, let's just, I'm going to hold this here so that you can pause and read if you like. Okay, and then the same thing. Presumably this is the same thing that this says on the other side. Okay, now I'll just show the cover first. This is the A6 size, and there's a black version of this available in the A5. Now, if English versus Japanese is important to you, apparently only the A6 comes in English. Okay, marks. And I don't know if this is pleather or leather. I'm inclined to say pleather. A mesh pocket. It says something there. Easy enough to get in and out of. All right, so I'm reasonably pleased with this cover. As I said, this is my first Hobonichi. I have no prior experience with the company. This does actually seem rather well done, and this is like soft and kind of springy. I would imagine there's some kind of a foam in there that's making it padded like that, and ample space for cards or what have you. They're very differently sized. Do I have a business card or something around here? No, of course not. But like a gift card, like a regular gift card, is going to be a very different size. Do I really not have a card? Oh, I have a Simply Gilded one. Okay, so this is your standard size business card. And as you can see, there's a lot of room. But if you do washi cards, sometimes those are a bit bulkier, so they would fit nicely. Okay. Okay. Not in English, but that's fine. Okay, so I intend to use this for like the journaling prompts and things like that, I wanted to go back to doing the Mummy Lay My Playful Mess challenges each day. And I know Coco Daisy does them as well. I've not really paid attention to them because I haven't even been doing the Mummy Lay one. So I'm kind of liking this here because this would be, if you're using it as a planner, you could use for your important dates. But what I'm really liking is you could kind of decide which one you're going to do. You could put down like the My Playful Mess in pink and then the Coco Daisy in blue, and then whichever one you actually did, like whatever your favorite companies are that do the prompts, you could actually record which one, and then you could know which one was which by the color. And it looks like all of the months are in the front, assuming they're all in the front. Let's skip ahead a bit so that we can see. Okay, so this is January, and these are daily pages. There's no weekly. Okay, so no, all of the months are in the very front of the book. But this is still fine because if you're doing prompts, you could put all of your prompts on this first page, the coming up, and then you have one solid page for each one. And then some simple dot grid. Here are a few of those. Contacts, conversions. Here, I'll just hold it, so if you'd like to pause and read, you can. Oh, Bamboo Princess. I don't exactly know what this is, but that's my Tesho number. I don't know if I should be keeping that private. And then I can put my information here. It's plain, you could just slide that in. Yeah, so I'm pleased with this, and I am excited to give it a go and kind of jump back into the My Playful Mess. Maybe we can do a few videos on that. I don't know if you're supposed to put both in. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, it's really cute, and I'm happy. Yeah, I don't regret this purchase at all. I don't know that I would, collect a million covers like I do with all my other planners. Maybe just because this one isn't a planner for me. But yeah, I really like it. So I hope you guys like this video, and as always, be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to see more. All right, bye guys.